Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, and today I have some things from the Ipsy pop-up shop. I normally don't do this for Ipsy, but this time around I ended up going with Ipsy stuff instead of the BoxyCharm sale. I just really wasn't too fond of the things that they had in the sale, but Ipsy on the other hand had some really great things, so I wanted to share with everyone what I got. And also, if you spend $40 or more, you got a free Wishful enzyme scrub. So that's kind of neat and cool that they give you free stuff if you spend so much money. So I really wanted to try that too. I really enjoy the Wishful line so far of the items I do have. I do believe I have a serum and a moisturizer and also a cleansing balm, but I do not have a facial scrub yet, so that kind of like completes the set a little bit, so that makes me happy. Okay, the first item I got, these were the $5 bundles, the 2 items for $5, and the first thing in here is, let me get it open. All these cute little baby sponges from Item Beauty. They look like really good for getting inside the inner corner, right up here in your eye if you're putting on concealer. So I like to have some of those. I don't have very many small makeup sponges, so that's kind of neat that I got some more. And then I really do enjoy this BB cream, and I like to have little samples of it for when I travel or go somewhere for a couple days. Then I have this, I can just pack it in my bag. The next 2 for a $5 item I got was a full-size sponge and a full-size tweezers. So let's open up and see what these look like here. Okay, this sponge looks pretty cute. It's red. I think I have 2 red sponges now, but there's a red sponge. And then also a nice pair of tweezers from Farrah, and they're double-ended tweezers. I don't own any like this. You can use either or side. One side's for precision and the other side's just a basic tweezer. And then my last $5 item, if you guys haven't tried this yet, can't even know if I say the name of this right, but it's Mishko Beauty, I do believe. I'm probably saying that wrong because I'm really bad about pronouncing stuff. These tinted lip balms are my favorite. They are so good. They call them a sheer lip balm. They're really moisturizing, really amazing. And they're actually like $18 a piece, I'm pretty sure, or $14 if you were to buy them. And these are full size, and I got 2 of them for $5, so that's a steal. And these are actually in shades that I do not own, so I wanted to get all the shades I could of these lip balms because I think they're amazing. But I got one in Mishko and one in Magnificent. Okay, next up I actually got this Energy Boost by Friska, and it's a probiotic supplement with 30 capsules in it. The reason why I got this is that I struggle with being tired sometimes with the kids running around and stuff. I get super tired, so I wanted to try this and see if it actually helps me with my sleepiness or if it's just a gimmick. But I will let everyone know about that. And then I got this bundle that they had, which I thought was super cute. I couldn't remember if it was like $30 or $35, but it comes with this lashy pop, which I don't own any of these. These are so cute. I love the design of this. It just makes it more fun to have it on here like this. These are pretty dramatic lashes, but I might be able to pull it off. You never know. I might gift them to somebody. I just like the packaging on this, and I thought it was cool that you got one of these. And then I got a a fluffy matte lip cream from Jason Wu. I'm not too crazy about the way the packaging looks on this. I'm actually not going to open this. I might give this away to somebody. I just have so many lip products as it is. I'm just really picky about the lip products that I do decide to keep. Next up is a brush set from MOTD, and I love getting brushes. Anytime I can get my hands on some, I definitely do. I do gift them to people sometimes, but I like to keep them as backups as well. Okay, so we got Ciate London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. I am excited for this one. I like the, I like watermelon scented stuff. So it's pretty much full. It just has an air bubble in there, but I am excited to give that a go and let everyone know how that is. And then we also got a couple more items in here. I got Ofra Rodeo highlighter, which I actually already own, so this will probably be put in a giveaway, a future giveaway. But it's a really beautiful highlighter. If you don't know, Ofra makes amazing highlighters. And last but certainly not least, we are going to get some swatches here because I am keeping this. This is from Item Beauty. And it's in my Element eyeshadow palette, which I do believe was included in the Glam Bag X for choice items, which I didn't get Glam Bag X this time because I wasn't really liking all the stuff too much, not enough to get the whole bag. So I was really happy to see that they had this palette available just by itself, and it has a really beautiful, like shiny, almost rose gold packaging. And it is like a everyday like palette, and I do have a lot of them, but honestly I've never tried Item Beauty's eyeshadows, and I really wanted to try it and see the formula and see if I enjoy it or not. Let's get a couple swatches in here. It looks like we have different types of shades. So let's see. This one's the darkest, and it's called Starship. Okay. And then we have, let's do Starstruck. Oh, that's really pretty. And then Stellar. Wow, that one's really creamy. Honestly, a different formula than the other one. I kind of might have ruined it in the pan a little bit, but it's a little powdery, but it's eyeshadow. But that is super creamy. I love the formula of that. And let's get one more matte, 'cause it looks like we just have 6 mattes and 4 different kinds of shimmer shades, which I think the formula is different on the shimmer shades because this one was like less creamy than that one. But all around it's a pretty good looking palette. I'm excited to give this a try and add it to my collection. That is everything I had for this video. I'm getting ready to post my weekly reviews, so stay tuned for that. I'm Erin. Thank you so much for watching.